All right, so a little bit of surprise and change in plans. My friend around the corner with the welder said, "Hey, take it and go weld it yourself. No worries, brah." So I got a welding helmet, I got a welder, I got a spot that needs to be tacked. I know there's no argon. It's fucking way hot. There, it's all ground down. So a little putty, a little paint, should be pretty good. So a little grinding and a little putty. The hole is gone. I will have to do some sanding when I get back. But anyway, that's just the first layer. And anyway, stay tuned. The car is on its way to looking amazing. It really is. It's going to be quite magnificent. Cut to the rendering. Yeah, that's right. All right, so anyway, 420 Garage Maui signing off for the evening. Here, we'll take you on a drive into the garage. I want to wait till the oil light goes off. There you go. Whoa. Hear the fuel pump relay? Usually 3 smacks does it. Oh. Why, you might ask? Why the burnout? Well, let's just talk about burnouts for a second. I don't know about you, but I see 1 skid and 2 skid. But for the real, that was made by my Alpha. That's right. Alphas. 2-wheel peel as opposed to 1-wheel peel in something like that. That's right. Burnouts at 420 Garage.